In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access OneDrive files offline. Accessing your OneDrive files without an internet connection can come in handy, especially during travel or when you're in places with unreliable connectivity. To get started, you'll first need to have OneDrive installed on your device. If you haven't already done so, go ahead and download the OneDrive app, which is available for both Windows and Mac systems. Once it's installed, open OneDrive and sign in with your Microsoft account. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection at this point, as this ensures that everything gets set up smoothly. Now that you're signed in, locate the OneDrive icon on your taskbar. On Windows, this is situated at the bottom right corner of your screen, while Mac users will find it at the top right, in the menu bar. Click on the icon to open a modest settings menu. From here, you'll want to select Settings. In the window that appears, you'll see several tabs. Focus on the Settings tab on Windows or the corresponding tab on Mac, as this is where we'll ensure files can be accessed offline. In the Settings tab, you'll find an option labeled Files on Demand. This feature is crucial for offline access, allowing us to decide which files we want to keep available on the device. Make sure this option is selected, as it helps you save space by downloading only the files you need. With Files on Demand activated, navigate back to your OneDrive folder. You can open File Explorer on Windows or Finder on Mac to see all your OneDrive files. Here, files are typically marked with different icons: a cloud for online-only files that aren't saved on your device, a green circle with a checkmark for files stored both online and offline, and a white circle with a green border for files that are available offline only. To make specific files or folders available offline, right-click on the ones you need. From the context menu, select Always Keep on this device. This will initiate a download of those files or folders to your local storage, ensuring you can access them without internet. It's helpful to note that choosing the Always Keep on this device option makes those files physically present on your device, which requires some storage space. You can periodically review these selections and manage your storage as needed. If you happen to make changes to your files while offline, rest easy knowing that these will sync automatically with your OneDrive cloud storage once you reconnect to the internet. This automatic synchronization keeps everything consistent across your devices, allowing seamless transitions back to online operations. And there you have it, the straightforward process to ensure your important docs are always within reach, whether online or offline. This little feature is quite a lifesaver, offering constant access and peace of mind. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you in managing your files more effectively.